Okay.
Okay. So what are the HOC components in React?
High order component, basically function inside the function are called high order component.
Okay. So what are the components in HOC?
In React,
Yeah, React only.
high order component, basically functional components, hooks. These all are higher order components. Arrow functions.
Mm-hmm.
These all are higher order functions.
Okay. So how React router will work? What is the React router uses?
In the React router, we are using React router DOM. In the React router DOM, after the installation, we have to be in the app.js method. In the switch, we are linked to whatever we have to be use. React router DOM, basically we can communicate when we are one component to another component. When we go one component to other component, that's we uh, work of the React router DOM.
Okay. What is VDOM and RDOM?
I don't get your voice. What you saying?
Yeah, you know, real DOM and virtual DOM.
Yeah, real DOM. Virtual DOM, basically a whole in virtual DOM. In particular component we are working, the whole component are not updating. Only particular component are updating. In real DOM, whole component are updating when we are updating something. So this is the uh, difference between virtual DOM and real DOM.
So can you explain the life cycle of React?
Life cycle of React: initialization, mounting, demounting, constructor, component.did mount, render, component.did update, should update, and demounting process. And this also achieved into the functional component also, with the use of use effect method and render.
So can you explain React Redux application, how it will work, the flow of Redux and React?
Redux, basically, first of all, we can create a store for the Redux. This store import into the index.js method. After that, we can create a reducer for creating the function. For the example, we can store some values. So we create a reducer, and this reducer we can use in our component with the uh, with when we are saving any data. So we use dispatch method to save the data, and use selector for the getting of the data. So basically, uh, when we are getting something getting some data, so we are using for use selector. This
Okay.
is the whole. Or we also using for middleware, also use toolkit also we are using.
Can you explain a new feature of React, you know, React memo?
Yeah, React memo, basically for memorize the function. Memorize the basically is for the cache memory. We are not calling again and again for the same function. So when we are using the React memo, so we can memorize the function, and we can directly use the cache file. If the cache is not stored, so we can first of all first time it can store into cache, then every time we can get the data from the cache itself.
So what is the purpose of using React router?
React router purpose, basically uh, uh, routing to the one component to another component. Basically, for the example, we are in home, we are going to the next another page, another component about us, so we have to be use React router now.
Okay. So write on React Java program, you can share your screen.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Is visible now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So in the chart, I pasted the one array.
1 second, let me check. I don't see any.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can
okay.
see it.
Okay.
So you can find the maximum number in the array using React.
Okay. So should I use the online compiler?
Yeah, code sandbox.
Yeah. I remove something. Should I starting?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. First of all, we are using for loop with the use of for loop. Okay.
Yeah, you can write a code. I can see and later.
Okay. Can I using some other editor?
Which editor you want to use?
Okay.
Which one?
Programming Z.
Okay, programming.
Or one more way we can do that.
Okay.
I think they are not
Okay.
not using the map function.
Yeah, no problem. We can write another React program. So image slides, how we can be slide the images using React.
What you saying?
Image slide. Slide means we can write how we can be left and right image slider using React.
Okay, image slider.
Yeah. Have you worked earlier with image slider?
Yeah, I'm using the bootstrap slider and in predefined
Yeah.
slider. I'm just
Just using slider, you can move the some dummy images left and right side using React.
okay. Uh, Hello.
Yeah.
I have to be create the box also to
Yeah,
create.
correct. Take dummy
Okay.
images, 1 or 2
Oh,
images.
okay. So this browser may not work for this thing because this is JS. So
That's what I use.
should I use for VS Code for my?
Yeah, use.
Okay.